It's me, Mario!
To the flash flood warning for the northwestern city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia, the city of Norfolk in southeastern Virginia, the city of Portsmouth in southeastern Virginia, the eastern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia until 10:30 a.m. At 7:33 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Virginia Beach, Old Dominion University, downtown Portsmouth, downtown Norfolk, Kirkland, Norfolk State University, Ocean View, Norfolk, Chesapeake, Portsmouth, Suffolk, Kent, Norfolk Nez, Cravat, Norview, Western Branch, Ward's Corner, South Norfolk, Huntersville, and Willoughby Spit. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following independent cities in Virginia: Chesapeake, Norfolk, Portsmouth, and Suffolk. Offshore. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pasquotank County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Port Clemens County in northeastern North Carolina, eastern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Chilliwack County in northeastern North Carolina until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sunbury to near Hobbsville to near Harrowsville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hobbsville around 6:55 p.m. Willand around 7:10 p.m. Tyner around 7:15 p.m. Belvedere around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Gliding, Links Corner, Savage, Acorn Hill, Peach, Witeston, Parkville, Newtona, Carver, and Ontario. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chilliwack, Gates, Pasquotank, and Port Clemens.
No matter where you are, being yourself can be tough when it comes to being masculine. Triggers.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. County Carolina until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sunbury to near Hobbsville to near Townsville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hobbsville around 6:55 p.m. Wheeling around 7:10 p.m. Tanner around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Belvedere around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Leach Corner, Savage, Acorn Hill, Keach, Witeston, Parkville, McConnor, Carter, and Icaria. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
Closer to the one I have.
North Carolina, northwestern High-California, eastern North Carolina, west central Carolina, eastern North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Floodz Lake, at 15 miles east of Columbus, moving